Hey, Facebook. It's Kelly Walker, and guess what I'm here for? Manifesting tip, but that was a surprise. So today's tip is number 26. Replace fear with love. A lot of people think that the opposite of fear is courage, but it's not. It's love. And if you are scared of something that you want to manifest, which I know a lot of people are, because if you fear something more than you want it, you're never going to be able to manifest it. And so if you learn to love the thing that you're trying to manifest, then you'll overcome the fear of it, and then it will come to you. So if you are plagued with fear over something that you want to happen in your life, I have a really good fear exercise that I give my clients, and it is this. Make so imagine the thing that you're scared of happening, like totally full detail. Think of like what you're wearing, what the weather's like, what kind of room you're in, like everything, every detail you can think of. Have the scary thing happen, and then decide what happens next. Like watch it, like play it out. So what happens next? What happens if you get this? And then what happens next? And then what happens after that? And play that fear out just as far as you can. Like if it's going to have consequences for a week, play it out for a whole week until you get to the other side of it and you're looking back at it. And then once you've done that, you can say, okay, what did I learn from that? Why was it perfect that that scary thing happened to me? And what are the amazing consequences of it? And then you can let yourself love it instead of fear it. So that is my tip for the day. Replace your fear with love. And if you are interested in getting these tips all together in one spot, because I do them every day, and I'm collecting them in a YouTube channel, comment and I will PM you the link to that. The name of my YouTube channel is The Queen of Manifesting. And I have a podcast also called The Queen of Manifesting, where I go into much more detail about my tips. So let me know if you want the link to those. If you just search for The Queen of Manifesting, you can probably find them on your own. So that is it. Thank you for watching. And of course, like, comment, share if you know somebody that needs help getting more of what they want and less of what they don't want. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.